A quick screen recording here of nodes and how to smooth them out and make them all nice and pretty. Now, for demonstration's sake, I'm going to make some purposeful, hard word for me to say right now, mistakes. But if you have an image like this, first of all, you're going to have to convert it to black and white. I did that. I'm going to go to my bitmaps. I'm going to change this thing to outline trace. I'm going to go line art and reduce bitmap. Now, in normal circumstances, I would keep this high right here for more detail and whatnot. But for our case, I'm going to turn this down just so we can see what I am referring to here. Just so we can try to make it wrong. So I'm going to push OK. And then I'm going to come in here. And I just want to see which one is my little culprit that I have here. So I'm going to take that there. I'm going to make that a yellow box. And I'm going to come here. And because we had made a duplicate. So I'm going to move it over. I'm going to send this box to the back. So it's under order, and then send it back. And I can see that this is my faulty little guy. So we're going to come in here and say, be gone with you. It's gone. Awesome. Simple as that. All right. So then we have this. We're going right in here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go Control U to ungroup this. And voila, these little icons up here come up. So I'm going to do an outline. And then I'm just going to move this one over because this is the one we have. But now when I come in here, if I zoom in, this is where I would have done more detail in the outline trace. But when I'm lowering it, it didn't put all that detail in there. But so we have a problem here now, is that I want to smooth out these nodes. So what this little tool is up here in the corner is, normally it's going to be on the shape tool, but we want to take that and turn it to the smooth tool. And then what you're going to do is come over to these nodes here, and you're just going to click and hold. And I don't know if you can kind of see on your screen, but it'll change a little bit of color. What this is doing is it's deleting nodes and making it smooth. So you can go over as much as you want. And then if that's not going fast enough for you, what you can do is come up here and change the different sizes of this little circle thing here so you can get the whole thing done. But the only problem with that is the bigger it's faster it is, but you may lose certain areas because it's the size that you're not keeping track of. But this thing does an amazing job of kind of evening out all the lines. As you can see, I'm just going back over, clicking, holding, letting go, click, hold, let go, and then it deletes the nodes. So if I go right back up here real quick and I go back here to shape, we can see that in these corners here, look at all those little nodes, like a little colony of ants. What we just did is we deleted a ton of those nodes. If we go back over here now, there's 1, 2, two in that whole section right there. We're over here, we got probably 40 of them. So that is how you go about smoothing out text. And if I were to go over here and just change my color, I've changed my color now, and now it can be cut out really nice and smooth. Hope that helped. Thank you.